Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of micro-investing with a platform that's all about making things easy and accessible, Spaceship. Now, you might be thinking about investing and wondering, how much do I actually need to get started? After all, traditionally, investing has felt like a game for the big bucks, right? Well, Spaceship is here to break down those barriers and make investing achievable for everyone, regardless of how much is sitting in your pocket. So, the question we're tackling today is, what's the minimum investment required to blast off with Spaceship? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Spaceship, your launchpad to the investment universe. Before we dive into the minimums, let's take a quick pit stop and explore what Spaceship is all about. It's a micro-investing app designed to make investing simple and user-friendly, especially for beginners. They offer a variety of pre-built portfolios, each with a different risk profile, so you can choose the one that aligns with your investment goals. Think of it like picking a pre-made spaceship. All the parts are there, ready to take you on an exciting journey. Plus, Spaceship does all the heavy lifting when it comes to managing your investments, so you don't need to be a financial whiz to get started. The big reveal, there's no minimum takeoff weight. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's the fantastic news, there's no minimum investment amount required to open an account and start investing with Spaceship. That's right, you can literally start with a couple of bucks if that's all you have to spare. This makes Spaceship a fantastic option for anyone who wants to test the waters of investing without a huge commitment. You can dip your toes in, get comfortable with the platform, and gradually increase your investment as you learn more and feel confident. But wait, there's more. While there's no minimum to get started, Spaceship does have a minimum amount for investment plans. These are automated investing features that allow you to set up regular contributions, kind of like setting your spaceship on autopilot for consistent growth. For investment plans, the minimum recurring amount is just $5. So, if you can spare a $5 every week or month, you can leverage the power of compounding and watch your investment grow over time. It might not seem like much now, but those small, regular contributions can add up significantly in the long run. Making the most of your spaceship journey. So, you know there's no minimum investment to get started, and you've got the lowdown on investment plans. Now, how can you maximize your spaceship experience? Here are a couple of tips. Do your research. Even though Spaceship makes things easy, it's always a good idea to understand the basics of investing. This will help you choose the right portfolio and make informed decisions about your investment strategy. Start small and be consistent. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't feel pressured to dump a huge chunk of money in right away. Start small, invest consistently, and watch your portfolio grow over time. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Spaceship offers plenty of resources and support to help you on your investment journey. Don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service team if you have any questions. The final frontier, taking control of your financial future. By making investing accessible and removing the barrier of high minimums, Spaceship empowers everyone to take charge of their financial future. Remember, even a small investment today can blossom into something truly remarkable over time. So, are you ready to blast off with Spaceship? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.